Hi, how are you all? Hope you're well. Anyway, today we've got this box. This box is the NMNL box, and that stands for, I'll say this right, no Life, which can be found at NoMakeNoLife.com. It is a Japanese box, and it comes from Tokyo Treat. They have quite a few boxes now at Tokyo Treat, including snacks and like bits of stuff. This one, I believe, I'm pretty sure, is their beauty box. So I've no idea what to expect inside, apart from hopefully some beauty bits. I'm gonna try and open this. Okay. So as you can see, this is how it all arrives. It's straight from Japan. It took about a week to arrive. Okay, let's see inside. So, got the little leaflet there. I'm not going to look at that just yet. Probably tells me everything. Is it English? Yep, it's in English. Okay. First thing is, this is a face mask, like a jelly sweets face mask. One of those that you take out the packet and you put like on your face for a few minutes. That's the first item. And then I have brush styling sheet. Okay. This is like a I don't know what it is actually. I don't know if you put these over your brush, maybe. I'll look at this to see what it says. But I've got absolutely no idea what this is. Yeah, you kind of like rub it over your hair. I don't know, it's a bit of a weird one. Okay, that's that. Just like, I don't know if I'll use it or not. It's a bit of a strange one. I don't know. Okay, I have the argan oil and repair milk. And that is something that I will use. That's like really good for your hair. Oh, see if I can open it. Yeah, smells lovely. Okay, there is a Venus Bar Spring Blossom Perfume Stick. It's like a little perfume type thing. I don't know if I rub it on or spray it on or look at it on it. And finally, it's the final item, is double crayon eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow, just open this a bit and have a look. Just on myself nearly then. Okay, it looks like a purple pinky type colour, which is what I wear anyway. Okay, that's actually broke. Give that to the mint too. Yeah, I think it's got like stuck or something. Yeah, it's not very good, as you can see. It's kind of all come out. I think that's supposed to be in there. It's a bit yucky actually. I think I've seen better days, that one. Oh well. I just still get a little bit of the creamy stuff out, but unfortunately it's gone. Got a bit wrong. Double crayon eyeshadow, so yeah, it's like a white and pink. Well, I've managed to fix it now, I think. That's that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. really sure that I'd use everything. Certainly the hair stuff and the perfume, maybe the eyeshadow. And I got this box for review. Please check out my blog at bizzimummy.com and please subscribe to my videos too. Bye for now.